Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1314th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good Sunday evening. How are you, traders? I wanted to bring you a video this evening. My editors did not show up, so I will do one of these, desktop shoots for you, but it should be just as exciting. Traders, as we know, futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders. Forget about the usual warnings that you should get. These markets are extremely volatile. If you do not know what you're doing, you should not be trading in futures. Always put stops in. Even these days, they're not guaranteed to work, but you got to put your stops in and put them in first. All right, traders, so what do we got going on for Sunday through Monday, April 27, 2015? Well, you've seen this chart in many videos, so let's keep this theme going. We've got a green OMNI for trading on the 27th. That would be Monday, Sunday night through Monday. Traders, I've shown you this chart many times and said it's a 10-to-1 win-loss ratio. Wins 10 times. Really, it won 11 times, but we're not going to count this as a win because it went down for 3 weeks, or it was under it for 3 weeks before it went back above. So that's all loss. But if you really look at it, it catches, basically, you catch the trend line, or if you will, I don't even have the trend line drawn in, but you catch the average every time and bounce, almost to new highs, if not new highs, every time. So we've got this happening out of 10 times or 11 times that we can see. We've got 10 wins, 1 loss. So this chart we know is valid, so we've been using it, right? And we might as well stick with it. There is more. I have also shown you that the last weeks of March into April, we had a 3-week pullback right here, these 3 weeks. Went down to the average, exactly right here to the average, and then put in a flagpole and put in what I like to call one of Oscar's F flags. Let me write that down for you. This is what I like to call an F flag. So we've got an F flag, and we'll make it green because that's the color of the F flag. So we'll make sure it looks the same for us, right? Visual always helps. So you've got an F flag right here. And I said, last couple of weeks of March, first week of April, we hit the average, put in a flagpole, and created an F flag. So then I brought this to your attention, and I said, here we are. Last couple of weeks of March, first week of April, we hit the average exactly the same way. Boom, right to the average, put in the flagpole, and I drew in a fictitious flag, and I put in fake bars. So I put in a fake flag. I said, this is what happened here. Why shouldn't it happen here? So I put in fake flag and fake bars, and the bars started to populate. So let's expand on this chart a little bit and see how they've populated. Since I've shown you this bar populated. Bravo, right? These weren't even there. They didn't exist. This bar populated. Wow, it even got a little higher than I thought, but right down to the low of where I was expecting. This bar populated. And then now we have this week's bar, and there's nothing there yet. It's just beginning to populate, and it's populating here. The point is, when I showed you this flag, none of this existed at all. None of this. We were here. We were actually, let me show you exactly what it looked like. We were right here, and this bar was only about this big, and I said, look, we came right down to the average once again. It holds every time. I expect it to go higher from here. And the flagpole populated. It went like this. And we had our flagpole. That's when I put the fake flag and the fictitious flag and put in these, what I expected days to start to take place. And they're actually populating. You cannot ask for more than that. So we are now in this flag. What happens for tomorrow? Well, it looks like we're slightly above the flag. We could gyrate inside of this flag for 2 days while we wait for the Fed meeting Tuesday, Wednesday. However, we may just run away and take off from the top of this flag. This could very easily just begin to break out here and go. There's no reason why that can't happen. So we'll see. But for now, we do have a flag, and we expect to gyrate inside of it a little bit, and we'll see what happens. But we are buying dips for the emini S&P for trading on Monday, April 27, 2015. So there's your indices. Green OMNI, the chart's been working. The flag miraculously has been working. and we will stay with it. So another one of the charts that were in this video, which I showed to you, very interesting, was the gold chart. And I contended that we were going to break down this week, and I showed this to you, and I said, here's what we expect, because we are now at this level, and we were Sunday, Monday, and I said, look, you had a flag here, the red flag. It basically got challenged right around the OTAPMA, or the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, this average. It got rejected right here, fell out of the bottom of the bear flag on this day, and then we dumped. So I said, here we are. We got rejected just about right at the OTAPMA, or the Omni average. It fell beneath the flag. I expect the market to dump, and this is what happened since. My goodness, traders. Is that not bravo? Is that not just amazing technical analysis? You cannot ask for better. We are selling rallies once again for Sunday through Monday in the gold. So we've got a red Omni and a gold. We've got a green Omni when you're looking at the emini S&P. Green Omni, NASDAQ S&P. A little cautious about it trading inside of this flag, but green Omni, we're buying dips. And then, of course, when we go back to the gold, we are selling the rallies in gold. Traders, I wanted to get this video out to you so that you will see these results on Sunday night, and you can help use this video for trading on Monday. Maybe into Tuesday, we'll let it go. We'll see what happens. Traders, remember, come visit me at livewithoscar.com. I have a free chat room where I will help teach you the art of technical analysis. And always remember to keep your emotions out of this game. You put your stops in and forget about everything else. One of the best ways to keep your emotions at check is to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.